Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have a fall Revive order to share with you. I'm really excited. I haven't ordered anything from Revive in a while, and I am so behind on fall stuff. I didn't do anything like back to school. We started homeschooling this year, and so coming off of summer and going right into that, I've put all of this on the back burner. So I'm really excited about this little haul from Revive, and I also have some videos planned for this week that are going to be for fall and stuff. I am also sending out a newsletter tomorrow to my email list, which if you are not already subscribed to my blog, I will put a link to do that down below. I send out one email every week, and there's a giveaway in each of the emails. And I give away oils or skincare, or it could just be random things, but there's giveaways every week. So if you want to get in on that, the link will be down below, or I'll just pop up at ToreyNoora.com. So anyways, lastly, I do have a code for Revive, so it's Torey10. I believe I'll put it on the screen in case that's not right, but it's a 10% off code for revive-eo.com. I think that's their website too, but all of that will be linked down below. Hand soap, because oh my gosh, fall is just my favorite time for scents. Spring florals are great, and summertime I don't really get into scents that much, or candles or anything like that. Fall is just it for scents. I have all of my favorite fall diffuser blends going. I'm putting drops of essential oil in the toilet paper holder and just around. I just love the cinnamon warm scents of fall. So this is pumpkin pie. This is a blend of clove, cardamom, cassia, nutmeg, vanilla, and I think that's it for essential oils. So it just gives you that pumpkin spice scent. It's so good. It's just warm and sweet and spicy. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna put one of these in our guest bathroom and probably at the kitchen. I did get the 2-pack, so this is the same exact one. I'll put pricing on the screen too. These last forever, and I get these each season. They do have a summer love one, and they'll have a winter one too, but I buy these and then it'll last probably a month or so, and then I just refill it with castor oil or castor soap and the essential oil blend that it is, which I have a ton of pumpkin spice essential oil blends. So I get probably 2-3 months out of each of these just by refilling them too. These are plastic too. I know they look like glass, but they are plastic, just in case you're wondering, and they come with foam. These are the foam ones, and they come with pumps. So Rose Hydrosol is next, and I got this just because my girls have really been into skincare and doing their nighttime skin routine, and it's really cute, although it's hard to find skincare that's really minimal, simple, that's just doesn't have added ingredients that they don't need. So I got this for their toner. They like to do a face mist. They like to wash their face, do a little mist, and then put on some moisturizer when they do it. So I got this to just be their toner. So hydrosols, I did an entire blog post and video on hydrosols because they're amazing. So it's distilled. It's from the same distillation. So the essential oil plant matter is turned into the essential oil, but also a water or a hydrosol is produced from that same distillation. So this is that part of it. So think kind of the same benefits as the essential oil, so rose essential oil, but this is very gentle. This is a liquid. It's not the same consistency, and you can use it without diluting it. So especially for kids, and our kids are older, they're 6 and 9. So for babies, just be more mindful in age, but I'm talking, when I say kids, I'm talking my kids, and they're a little bit older. But anyways, you can put this in bath. It smells similar. It doesn't smell the exact same. So it definitely, rose actually, to me, this actually smells better than rose essential oil. Rose essential oil is potent, but this smells really good. It's just smells like rose petals. So we got that for the girls. Next, I got immune boosting elderberry gummy supplement. So elderberry has been proven lots to help in immune boosting, but also while you're sick, maybe not being as sick as long. So we just got this for the season. Even though we're not in school, we're still out and doing a lot of things, and there's germs all over. So not being in school and homeschooling will help with that, but also we need to start taking our elderberry. Gummies are just easiest to take for kids. It's less of a fight, I feel like, than the syrup or the tincture. But I do have the tinctures as well from different various brands. Elderberry is just a staple in our home. We also, so this year I'm going to be making fire cider, and I feel like I'm already behind. But I always think of it too late. But I'm going to make some of that too, so that we can take that whenever we do get sick, because it's inevitable. Someone's going to get sick. And then I got 4 oils, and I don't even remember which ones I got. Okay. That's right. I got frankincense and myrrh, and I just ordered this without even looking. I thought it would just be frankincense and myrrh, maybe diluted in essential or carrier oil, whatever, but it's not. So this is myrrh, Himalayan cedarwood, frankincense, Virginia cedarwood, labandum, lava, which I'm not sure what that is, but it's a resin, so similar to a frankincense, I'm sure, and then red cedarwood and vanilla. So it has way more than just frankincense and myrrh. But I got this because I have been using only face oils for my moisturizer for probably 4 or 5 months now, all summer pretty much, and my skin has never been softer, and I've had like 3 zits in probably 3 to 5 months, however long it's been. So it's just really been working well for me. My skin texture is a lot better, and my skin is just so balanced. So this smells really good. So it smells very calming, grounding, but also with the vanilla, it kind of adds that element. So I got this short story long. I've been using a myrrh face oil at night, and I've been using a blue tansy face oil during the day. So I'm running out of my myrrh one, which I would definitely repurchase it, but sometimes I can't justify when I have everything that I need to make it, just remake it. So I'm gonna be refilling my jar of that one, and I got this. So it's gonna have some added cedarwood benefits too. But myrrh is really good for skin, and so is frankincense. And then I also got fall equinox. I have all of the fall essential oil blends from most brands that I use, but I didn't have this one, and I just saw it, so I picked this one up too. This one is cedarwood, cinnamon, sandalwood, frankincense, pine, orange, black pepper, rosemary, and rabansara. So that blend reminds me of Christmas spirit plus fall. So I'm interested to see what this is gonna smell like. Ooh, that's cool. That's so different. So cedarwood, cinnamon, sandalwood being at the top. That's mostly what I'm picking up, but it is super, this one would make a good candle. It has all of those different notes where it's similar to a fragrancy type of candle, like a fall candle. I have a candle kit that I've been also so behind on making a video for. I might make a fall equinox candle. And then the last 2 essential oils I got were for homeschooling, just to kind of put in that area our space for when we do school. I already have a couple of oils similar to this, but not from Revive. So, and actually Revive Kids, this is their kids line. I don't even know that I have anything from their kids line. So this is Brain Time. This is grapefruit, lavender, vetiver, lime, orange, cedarwood, pepper or pink pepper, spearmint, sandalwood, geranium, and osmanthus. So that's a really big blend too. That smells amazing. Oh my goodness. This brings me back. This smells like a deodorant I used to use back in high school. It's so fruity, but that smells so bright and uplifting. Oh, that smells so good. I'm wondering if this is a dupe. I'm gonna look it up quick to see if So Brain Time is $14. Almost all essential oil bottles from Revive are 10 milliliter, just for sizing reference. So it's Brain Time, $14. Its benefits are to stay focused, improve concentration, and for study time. So I got for diffuser in our homeschool room. Guys, it smells so good. It smells like a body type of scent, like a body lotion, body spray. This smells so good. Oh my goodness, I'm glad I got it. Good Morning is the other one, and it's not a dupe. That one wasn't a dupe. Let me see if Good Morning is, because I felt like one of these was a dupe for a different brands. Oh, this one? Good Morning is not a dupe either, which I thought one of them was not. Ooh. Good Morning is a different blend. So this is spruce, grapefruit, vetiver, lime, black pepper, eucalyptus, ylang, and litsea. So this one is very different. I feel like this is gonna spark more focus and concentration for me personally than this one. Good Morning. So this one it's new and it's $19. It says, we all know the struggle of waking up before you want to and trying to get moving. It can be really hard some days, especially for little ones. So this was bright, fresh, uplifting blend designed to awaken the senses, uplift your mood, and energize your mind so you can start your day. I also got this one to be a diffuser, but the uses that they're giving are diffuser blend, or put a few drops of Good Morning in your aromatherapy inhaler, which I am a big fan of inhalers, and that is just a personal device. I've done videos on them before, that you just breathe in basically, and it's a lot just taking a big whiff from the bottle. You're just putting a few drops on a little cotton wick and breathing in, and this one is super good. I'm excited to use this one for school. And they also have a use on here in a 4-ounce bottle. Pour in 1 ounce of high proof clear alcohol, 50 drops of this, and then 3 ounces of distilled water, and mist your walls of the shower before you get in to give you an energizing shower. That sounds amazing. I might make that, maybe even in a different, just eucalyptus or something. That sounds really cool. All right, so that is my little fall haul from Revive. I have a couple more fall videos to do for essential oils, specifically for fall, back to school, sick season coming up, but that is it for today. Again, my code will be somewhere here, linked down below as well. Let me know if you have any questions. Revive is one of probably the #1 favorite for essential oils. Plant Therapy is probably our favorite brand for a variety of products like body wash, other things besides essential oils. Just both of their pricing and their quality, they go above and beyond. And then Simply Earth we love for using for DIY projects and making our own essential oil things. So those are our 3, I would say, top 3 favorites. But anyways, everything will be linked, and let me know what questions you have. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye. That's so good. And each gummy has 1.5 grams of sugar. Not terrible. Tastes so good. These have echinacea too. Elderberry, zinc, and vitamin C. Echinacea. So good.